coaster at Rye Playland. They're a historic big wood coaster. Might be hard to hear me over the lift hill, but I'll try to speak up. This ride just reopened this year. It's being closed for a little bit, and they did quite a bit of work on it, some retracking, redid the Dragon Tunnel, and yeah, it's a nice historic ride. The park is such a beautiful location right by the water. Already at the top, there's a pretty quick lift hill. Here we go. Yeah, they take such good care of this ride. It's always a really smooth wood coaster. And the drop is always good in the back from what I remember, so here we go. Nice pop of air in the back. I love the views in this ride. Moving in the track. Yeah, this turnaround, if you're sitting up front, gives a pretty good pop of air time. But typically I like the back better for that first drop. I always forget how long this ride is, because there's still another lap it makes. As you see, nice and smooth. They take such good care of this ride. Pretty good head chopper there. Yeah, this building over here, that's the old mill dark ride, so it's cool how you basically circle around and over it. And this ride still has manual brakes, which is cool. So yeah, it's a Dragon coaster. Just a fun classic and well worth coming to Playland for this ride.